Hello you, welcome to Cherry's Mama's YouTube page. It's all about ethic or empowerment technologies. For today's topic is how to mail merge and label generation. Okay, let's start. First, let's create a new blank document. Click that one or Control N. And then above the tab, we have here between reference and review the mailings. Click that one and click below the start mail merge. So we have a lot of options, but click the letters. So above the same, beside the start mail, select the select recipient. So we have here the new address list. So input the title, Mr. or Miss. First name, I input my name, Cherry's Mame. For the company name, I input the DepEd. Address 1 and address 2 for my address. Then city, example, Ipil, state, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Zip code is a zip code of the state. And then we have here the country, the home phone, work phone, and as well as the email address. If done, click new entry for another entry, the same way with the process a while ago. But of course, with different address list because it will differ to whom it may concern for the letter. And then if all done, click OK and then input the file name like mail merge or whatever it is and then save it. And then let's click again the select recipient and then use an existing list. Click that one. Go back to your desktop to where you saved your mail merge a while ago. And then here we are. Click the address block. So this will be your insert address blocks format. So check if you want that format to be existing. And before that, at the right side, we have here the preview. So this will be the preview of your address. And then that will come up. But then let's also add the greeting line. You can input the line format if it is Dear, Mr., your full name, or just only your surname. So you have the preview below. And then once you're satisfied, click OK. Don't worry about the result, we're not done yet. Highlight them and click the preview result. And don't forget the greeting spacing. So here it is. And then once you're done, you can start writing your letters. The purpose of this is that you have now an automated recipient where you can select it automatically to whom it may concern. So thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cherry's Mame. God bless!